Have you ever wondered how Mabuyu or baobab seeds are made? Well, it's quite easy. All you need is the key ingredient, which is the Mabuyu or baobab seeds, a few other ingredients, and the process is very easy. Add in your color of choice. For me, I'm going for the signature red color. You're going to start off with the hard part, which is sorting out your Mabuyu or baobab. And if you've never come across baobab, this is how it looks. And as you can see, it's white in color. It's tasteless, but the seed is coated with whitish stuff. So yeah, I've already sorted my Mabuyu, and as you can see, we have strings, some rotten Mabuyu shells, a few sticks here and there. Yeah, and because we have already done that, we are going to proceed to the next step, which is going to be making our Mabuyu. So you're going to need a few ingredients. I have some sugar. This is 2.5 cups. I have 1 cup of Mabuyu powder over here, some red food color, and cardamom powder. So we are going to start off by melting our sugar. You're going to place your pot over medium flame and add in 1 cup of water. Add in your sugar. Wait for the sugar to melt, and that is going to take 1 to 2 minutes. And once everything is bubbling, you're going to be adding in your red food color and cardamom pods. There are so many colors that you can add to Mabuyu, but I find that the signature look is adding in some red food color. If you notice that your pot is too hot, reduce the flame so that the sugar can fully melt. Once the sugar is fully melted, you're going to cook for around 2 to 4 minutes. You're going to transfer your Mabuyu to a big container, just like this. And after 3 minutes, you're going to check on your sugar and be very careful because it's quite hot. So you're going to place it in between your finger, and once you notice a stringy texture, the sugar solution is ready. So you're going to put out the flames. Then you're going to transfer to your pan. Use a spatula and stir in the sugar mixture on the Mabuyu. You can add in a little bit more color for some more red color. Mine is just perfect. Make sure all the Mabuyu are fully coated with the delicious sweet sugar mixture. And as the mixture is cooling down, it's going to stick on the Mabuyu and coat it. I have some Mabuyu powder. I'm going to add half of it as I mix, and it's going to give the Mabuyu a nice texture. Add in the rest of the powder, mix up. This is the first round of coating our Mabuyu. So as you can see, the Mabuyu are looking so good. So now I'm going to place back my pan over medium flame and add in 1.5 cup of more sugar. Add in half a cup of water. Use my spatula and mix up once more and let the sugar melt for around a minute. When ready, you're going to transfer the mixture to your Mabuyu. Stir in. As the sugar mixture is cooling, it's going to coat the baobabs or mabuyu, and then you're going to have some delicious sweet mabuyu. You can check if the mabuyus are sweet enough. Perfect. But you can add in some more sugar. 1 more cup, melt. Yeah, and toss. With very easy and simple steps, this is how my mabuyu has turned out, and as you can see, it's sweet. Yeah, it's very sweet. It's sweet and delicious, and the best part is you can turn this budget-friendly recipe and turn it into a business idea, which is going to make you some profit. Trust me, because kids really enjoy this delicious mabuyu. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try.